We are here in the first phase of our design to operate process. We are examining an intelligent valve from a functional and logical point of view. Therefore, we bundle the mechanical, electronical, and software design, and this creates the basis for all the value-added processes that follow: planning, manufacturing, delivery, and operation. So in principle, our design phase is the birth of the digital twin. In this phase of design, the neutral model is already being used to provide an overview of what the future product should look like. The requirements come from the customer, from the market, from the development, and from the customers of our customers. Today, costs are a very important issue. We let the system support us with early cost calculations. These early structures are very important and form the basis of our so-called product lifecycle costing. I can simulate the costs, and of course I can also simulate the digital twin and the production of the future product in order to validate and test this new product. And if changes occur as a result of this end-to-end process chain, we are able to let the change play out through the entire process very quickly, and then incorporate those innovations into the products, ensuring high-quality standards. The way how I will get to final product design follows a much larger and agile approach, but also an integrated approach to bring everything together. This design phase results in the digital twin. And now, to make the physical twin a reality, we take this information and hand it over to production seamlessly using the 3D model. With this graphic support, the production planner can use the development structure as a starting point to effectively introduce these components into the production structure via drag and drop. And the nice thing about it is that this graphic tool is not only fun to work with, but also increases quality.
Sondern auch die Qualität erhöht.